Hey, what's up? This is Lunko Man. I'm here in my room today to show you my awesome ladder collection, which is really cool. First, we just have the average sliders. They're just normal. Then, get some cool ones, like this. It's cool. And you can like move around the dice and stuff. Gun one. This is good, but it's wasted. Fill that up. This is a really good one. It's one of my best. Just a sec. Green flame. It's pretty cool. And it's another cool one. This is a green flame as well. Makes a cool sound when you open it. And then finally, this is my biggest one. It's got a light. Double flame. And you can make it go much bigger, but it wastes too fast. But that's it. I got them all from a website called Deal Extreme, and they're really cheap. Like, these two are like $3. So that's it.